Hi, this is Miss K. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide apps on your Android device. To get started, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap Home Screen, Apps, or Security and Privacy, depending on your device model. Look for the Hide Apps or App Lock and Hide Apps option. If your phone supports this feature, select the apps you want to hide, then tap Done or Apply to save your changes. If you don't see a Hide Apps option, you can also open your phone's app drawer, tap the three-dot menu or home screen settings, and check if your launcher includes a Hide Apps feature. Some Android devices also allow you to hide apps using Secure Folder, Private Space, or a similar built-in privacy feature. Once the apps are hidden, they will no longer appear on your home screen or in the app drawer, but you can still access them through the appropriate settings or privacy feature when needed. And that's it, you've successfully hidden apps on your Android device. Happy watching! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.